Rose petals, fairy wings, pink llama, or mysterious space? Which of the lip glosses will you choose? Watch and learn new recipes of how to make regular lip balm better in our video. My friend's holding some kind of treasure in her hands. What is she hiding there? A marvelous medallion with wings. It's so cute! Curly Sue gives me this winged accessory. Is it a dragonfly or a butterfly? Let's scrutinize it. This is actually gentle lip gloss. Put Vaseline in a small pot. Add shimmering eyeshadow. Mix it. Use a Q-tip to wipe the eyeshadow remains off the pot edge. Decorate the cap with nail polish. We chose different shades of pale blue. Attach a heart-shaped sequin to the center. Attach decorative wings to the bottom of the pot. Hot glue a jump ring and close the bottom with a piece of fabric. Put the lip balm on a piece of cord with a clasp. This lip gloss has been certainly made by fairies. It's soft, glossy, and can fly away at any time. My lips will be magical with it, and I will fly around happily like a butterfly. The period when roses are in full bloom is my favorite time of the year. And what if I add some rose petals to my lip gloss? Then I can enjoy the smell of roses every day, the whole year round. Add beeswax to Vaseline. Put in some cocoa butter. Add some more Vaseline if there is not enough. Put in a few drops of rose oil. Melt the mixture in a double boiler and throw a couple of rose petals in it. Pour the liquid balm into a container to fill half of it. Add some more petals and pour out the rest of the balm. Decorate it with rose petals on top. This rose lip gloss smells and looks great. You can feel like a real rose flower in an exotic garden. Curly Sue is a queen of a botanical garden. She loves taking close-up shots of plants. She knows all types of palm trees, and one day she will open up her own botany course. The nature is kind to her too. Curly Sue finds an unusual EOS with a floral pattern in the bushes. Take EOS out of the container. Add green food coloring to the lip balm and put it into a microwave. Pour the melted mixture into the cap and let it harden. Take the green balm out of the container. Use a pin to draw a monstera leaf on it. Cut off the excess. Put the leaf in the center of the cap. Screw on the middle grid. Now let's make the background. Add cocoa butter into the lip gloss. Put in some crimson food coloring. Melt the mixture in a microwave and pour it into the cap to cover the grid. Assemble the container when the balm hardens. Oh, I can't believe it! Curly Sue discovered a new species of plant. It's an evergreen EOS, but she's not going to share her discovery with anyone else. She wants to keep this EOS leaf only to herself. Redhead is worried about her chapped lips. No need to panic. Take a kiwi lip scrub. Cut a kiwi fruit. Scoop out the flesh. Mash it with a spoon. Add some sugar. Put in a few drops of almond oil. Mix it and put it into a small jar. Apply the product to your lips, slightly rubbing it in. Your lips become soft and gentle at once. Now any lipstick will apply evenly. You can try it right now. If there is not enough kiwi in your lip scrub, replicate kiwi makeup on your lips. Let's make juicy kiwi lips. Apply foundation stick to fill your lips using a brush, but we won't let your lips be so pale. Trace over your lip line using deep green eyeshadow. Apply light green eyeshadow to the center of the lips. Define the corners with a bronzer. Draw small dots with black eyeliner. These are kiwi seeds. Cover the lip makeup with clear gloss. You will feel the taste of kiwi.